Hello guys, and welcome back to another video of Alex Travels. And today we're going to be installing this Nvdia GeForce RTX Ventus 2X. Now that's out of the box, let's open this thing up. Okay, got a little packet. We'll open that later. Here's the graphics card. I've already opened this thing, so there's no plastic on the actual graphics card. Let's take this thing out. Alright, geez. Yeah, that thing. 3050 gotta be better. Plus, that's a GTX. This is an RTX, so ray tracing capabilities. This is made by MSI. It's made by Gigabyte, so I hope it works. Oh, yeah, you guys probably want to take this thing off right there too. What you're gonna be needing is a screwdriver that can unscrew your graphics card, and that, yeah, that's the only thing you're gonna be needing, guys. It should be held in by some screws right there. I've got a silver one and a black one. Screw. My current one in here is a Gigabyte, is an Nvdia Gigabyte 1550 Ti. Okay guys, so here's the comparison. Here's my new one, 3050. Here's my old one, 1550 Ti. They're almost the same size. See? That surprises me. So what you're going to do is remove this screw and this screw first. Now it's time to install your new graphics card. The best part, a wiring mess in here. What? Okay, so I was wrong. There's only one screw in there. So what you're gonna do? So after removing that screw, you're gonna wanna fold this over. You're gonna push that. You're gonna push that in, and then your graphics card should pull out. So guys, I've noticed the problem. So see, this is a 6-pin harness. This is an 8-pin. But on Amazon or Walmart or whatever, you can go on, you can get an adapter from 6-pin to 8-pin. Now that you slid that in, you want to make sure your tab is locked. So you can't pull it out. See, it wasn't locked, so that's why it came out. Okay guys, to install this, you're going to go to 6-pin side. So your 6-pin side, you're going to put your 8-pin side, and your 8-pin side. So let's do it. Open this with one hand. Let's see what's inside. Is that all? That's it. Okay. Put user's guide. We don't need that. We've already installed it. And a rewards program paper. Useless. The first time we tried booting it on screen just stayed black, and in the motherboard or something went beep beep beep. But so we had to take it out, and we found out that it wasn't seated in all the way. So we put it back in, plugged it back in, and boom, Teams is angry at me. Okay, so everything seems to be running smoothly right now. As you can see, all the fans are going, the graphics card's looking good. We're downloading a Minecraft ray tracing pack so we can do ray tracing because it's used to be an GTX, so now we're upgrading to an RTX. 3050, 1550, I'm saying the exact same things I said in the beginning of the video, but anyways, let's create the world. I don't know how to screen record, so you're gonna have to watch through the phone. Whoa, guys. This looks amazing.